For UPSC aspirants, staying updated with current affairs is crucial, but with limited time, choosing the right source matters. Many top IAS coaching institutes publish monthly current affairs magazines tailored to the exam's demands. These magazines condense newspapers, PIB, government reports, and international events into exam-relevant content. Here's a brief overview of most trusted and widely used current affairs magazines that can sharpen your preparation and save precious time. 1. Vision IAS Monthly Current Affairs. A highly structured magazine covering prelims and mains relevant topics. It includes editorials, government schemes, reports, and international issues. Known for clarity, consistency, and relevance. Ideal for both beginners and advanced aspirants. Also includes mind maps and value-add content. 2. Drishti IAS Current Affairs Today. Available in Hindi and English, this magazine is rich in facts and scheme-based content. It includes MCQs, mains questions, and editorials. Especially useful for Hindi medium aspirants. Also provides quick recaps, PIB updates, and static linkage. 3. Rouse IAS Focus Magazine. Rouse Focus is a well-structured magazine with mains-centric analysis of contemporary issues. Articles are written in UPSC-style language, helpful for answer writing. Focuses more on issue understanding than news listing. Comes with value-added facts and perspectives. 4. Vajiram and Ravi The Recitals. The Recitals book is a trusted source among aspirants for its depth and organization. Compiled from newspapers, PIB, and other sources, it includes prelims facts, mains perspectives, and enriched notes. 5. IAS Babas Monthly. Known for its brevity and smart curation, IAS Babas magazine is ideal for last-minute revision. It includes the TLP, mains question links and summaries from PIB, RSTV, and newspapers. 6. Next IAS The Crux. Next IAS offers a magazine rich in diagrams, infographics, and data points. It's structured to integrate current affairs with GS topics. Especially helpful in science tech, environment, and economy-related areas. Includes relevant reports and policy summaries. 7. KSG Current Connect. Dr. Khan's KSG magazine emphasizes answer writing orientation. Articles are short but filled with perspective-building content. Great for mains and essay paper. Also includes prelims boosters and Q&A formats. Useful for value addition in GS answers. 8. Insights IAS Monthly Magazine. Concise yet comprehensive, this magazine is appreciated for its clear categorization and relevance. It emphasizes analytical depth, especially helpful for mains. Editorial summaries, MCQs, and thematic coverage make it a reliable revision source. 9. Only IAS Monthly Current Wala. Only IAS Monthly Current Wala offers concise, exam-focused monthly current affairs. Ideal for UPSC aspirants, it simplifies complex topics, includes prelims and mains pointers, and is consistently updated, making it a reliable revision tool for serious candidates. Choosing the right current affairs magazine can make your UPSC preparation more focused and efficient. Instead of making your own notes from scratch, rely on these expert-curated resources to stay updated, save time, and boost your exam readiness effectively. Access these magazines online, find out which one is better, and follow it diligently. Subscribe to our channel now and supercharge your preparation. Get access to powerful strategies, expert tips, and exclusive free resources designed to give you an unbeatable edge. Quality content. Smart preparation. Real results. Don't miss the free gifts. Hit that subscribe button now.